Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and I've got my paper pumpkin box. It is called Expressions in Color. It's the June 2021, so let's go ahead and check it out. I don't know about you, I have not seen anything on it yet. So let's see here. Okay, it coordinates perfectly with this month's Paper Pumpkin Kit, the Expressions in Ink paper. I know that it was out, but maybe it's orderable again. We'll have to see. We have, and I did know this, that there were going to be two colors, and they are both in colors. One is Bumblebee, and the other is Evening Evergreen. It's a great way to collect inks if you don't want to buy the full thing. And then this one, I'm going to get this piece of paper here, and it looks like there's an ink splot there. You are amazing, thanks for everything, sending hugs, congratulations, many, oh, so you can put many thanks. We've got some little berries here, little flowers. This will be fun. That'll be cute. All right, let's open it up and see what we've got in here. I have yet to see, like I said, this is surprising for me. Get out my paper snips here. So I got mine late, but that's okay because I was out of town. But I have it now, and we're going to unbox it today, and then tomorrow I will do a live. So if you want to see it live, I will send out a text, and I'll put a link down below if you want to add your phone number so you can get texts, because I know that YouTube is having a hard time letting people know when I'm having my lives or when my videos come out. So alright, we've got our little mini glue dots, which come with every subscription package when you need them, apparently. I love that they send us all the stuff that we need. So we've got more dimensionals. We've got some little adhesive back sequins that are kind of like, I don't know if you could see it, but it's like the mother of pearl. We've got, is this Evening Evergreen? Twine, baker's twine. All right. Oh, we've got two different size cards. We've got little note cards here, and then we've got some full cards. So here's the envelopes. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. We've got some of these sheets like this, have the ink splotches on them. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little tags. 3 pieces of vellum, and the vellum has these little guys on them, leaves there. And then we got our card bases, which have some beautiful purple and pink ink blotches. Oh goodness, hold on, we're going to look at these bases. I need to see what those are all about. We've got some Evening Evergreen note card bases. We've got these little guys to make strips, little designs for your greetings. And we've got some Bumblebee note card. So are they giving us enough to make 9? Oh, forget about it. Let me look at this. How many cards are we getting? Does it say? Contains supplies for 9 cards and envelopes. That's amazing. Look at all that. All right. When I do my live tomorrow, I'll have these all cut out. Well, I hope that's not a promise that I'm not going to keep. Because I am on my way out the door, and if I come home too late, that might not be a good promise. So let's meet up here tomorrow at 10 a.m. my time. So we're currently on Pacific time. So if you're on the East Coast, it would be 1 o'clock. And Mountain would be 11 o'clock. Central would be noon. So look at that. This vellum, it says thanks. This one says merci, danke. And then we've got these great little flowers. I am loving this. And so we have 3 of those. We are going to have fun tomorrow. And then we've got these guys here, which are those same little flowers. These are probably a little delicate, right? So let's see here. Not too bad. I don't want to tear it. There we go. So there's one, and there's a little piece right in here. It didn't tear, but it's just a middle piece. There we go. So we've got that. And then if you want to take them out all at the same time, you can. Just line them up. And then you can pop them all out at the same time. Sometimes I do that, but this one is a little bit too fragile for me. You got to make sure everything's coming up the same way. Otherwise it'll all get stuck. So this one's pretty fragile, but it could still be done. As you can see. Just be careful. So tomorrow would be Monday. Right? The 20, is it the 28th? I think it's the 28th of June, of course. Oh, here we go. I don't want to see, it went back in the other way. So you got to be careful. It's that same one, just that tip that's doing it. And then once they come out, just keep them out. There we go. So now we got all 3. I don't know if it would have been easier to do them one at a time, but especially for the littler ones without all of this detail, it would be much easier. So, all right. That is everything. I'm so excited. If you do want to get the paper pumpkin for next month, you just need to do so before the 10th of July to be on the July one. And I think it might be like a camping theme or an outdoorsy theme. I haven't seen it yet. I've only seen a picture. So, all right, beauties. I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope I see you tomorrow and I will be live. All right. Take care. Have a great day. And make sure you give me the big thumbs up and subscribe. Click that notification and hopefully they'll tell you when I'm live and when my next videos come up. All right. Have a great day. Bye.